Welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what happens if you cancel your Epidemic Sound free trial or subscription? Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so to answer the question in a short manner, all videos you published while your subscription was active remain permanently cleared and monetized, okay, even if you use the free trial. Again, videos uploaded and published while your account was active are cleared forever. You will never lose monetization or receive copyright claims on those specific video uploads. Just make sure that specific YouTube channel is safe listed. Okay, and any client videos you cleared using a commercial or pro plan, just like what I have in here, during your active subscription also remain protected permanently. So what happens to new videos? So let's say, for example, you canceled your Epidemic Sound subscription today, okay, and you wanted to upload new videos with Epidemic Sound. Well, you cannot use Epidemic Sound music, including the tracks you previously downloaded, okay? If you publish a video or a new video containing their music after your subscription ends or after you've canceled it, Epidemic Sound right here will place an automated content ID claim on it or on those videos. They will redirect the video ad revenue to themselves instead of issuing a copyright strike. You'll either get copyright strike or the ad revenue will go straight to Epidemic Sound. Okay? So there you have it. That's what will happen if you cancel an Epidemic Sound subscription. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.